Macintosh SE 5011 test, and works flawless. This is amazing. I hate the effect from the phones for screens. This is an old cathode ray 2, but you can see, scrolling up, the mouse works. Let's click on one thing. Keyboard test. Yeah, keyboard works. That's amazing. And there's so many different things on here from 1990, 88. This is, oh my god. It's just in beautiful condition. Look at this. It looks like it just came out of the box. The mouse. There you have it. Wonderful piece of history.